I've been waiting since 5:20 to get in here. It's now 6 o'clock. I can finally go fishing. What's up, guys? It's Bob for BP Fishing. So I got here about 5:20 in hopes that they would open up the gate or the lake, you know, right on time, right as the sun was rising. But it didn't happen that way. So it's now 6 o'clock. Been sitting here just catching up on some YouTube videos, and now it's time to hit the water. As I'm walking in, sun is rising over the back, and water's pretty calm. I could see some fish or some activity in the water off to my right. We're gonna start off with some bright colors. I've got a square bill, it's very bright, and I've got another line set up for top water. So we'll see what happens. Overcast skies, temperatures in the 40s, but let's see if they're gonna bite today. We've had a lot of rain and flood waters and stuff like that. Seems like this lake is doing pretty good as far as that. No crazy flooding or anything like that, where a lot of other areas have been that way. So we'll throw a line out in the water and see what happens. So the plan at this lake today is just to cover ground. I haven't been here to fish ever. So I've been to this park a long time ago, and I don't know the lake very well, but the goal is just to jump around, throw some lines in, and just find that good coverage, find the good spots that I'm interested in fishing. So we're just a little bit into it here, and gonna walk as much of this monstrous lake as possible. Oh, there's a little. It's a little guy. He barely hit it, but I'll take him. First fish of the day. What the hell? What are you doing, bird? That bird is attacking me. The hell, bird? Get out of here. That bird right there literally just swooped down and attacked me. I don't see a nest or anything like that. I literally was just fishing, and it swooped down and got me. Just got 4 of them up there. There's another one over in that tree. Blackbird, orange patch. Here's more. They obviously don't want me fishing here. There is a birdhouse there. On these trees, I see the birdhouses. Look at that. Right at the edge. I felt him hit. And I waited. Right at the edge. He's a little bit fatter than that last one. There we go. Little guy. Oh, look at that. A little tiny walleye. My first walleye ever. Look at that little guy. Little baby walleye. See if we can look at those teeth. We'll put him back. Just a little guy. As you can see, this is a map of Tampere. I walked everywhere that the yellow line indicates on the map. The 3 red dots are where I caught my fish. It was a little bit disappointing to see all the bass still laying in their beds. I could see both the male and the female laying in the beds along the shoreline, but they wanted nothing to do with anything I threw in front of them. But this was all new territory, an area that I hadn't fished before, so it's kind of a learning experience as well. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, hit the little bell too. That way you can get new notifications anytime I post a video. Thanks for watching.